Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about service level KPI performance, key performance indicator for service level. And here is the data entry page where we insert our data here and we'll get the overall aggregate here in terms of on the table form or in the chart here, which is beautiful chart that shows our service level for whatever service we are actually giving. And I'll come to detail here. First, let's see the purpose of this channel. This channel Get Data Solution provide dashboard and other data management tools, and the purpose is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to manage project, to manage business, and to learn new skills. And for today's topic, which is service level KPI, we have here the instruction page on that indicate how to insert the data, and here you also have the benefit page, and the benefit of this service is clearly indicated here and for whom this is recommended. For example, some of the benefits are it is easy and convenient to enter data, it is useful to track customer feedback, useful to track service level performance and automatically generate service level, and it also guides organizations or individuals to improve their service based on the customer feedback. And this is recommended for organizations dealing with customers. For example, it could be banks, insurance, municipality, schools, companies, government sectors, NGOs, private individuals, departments, team serving service giving sector can use it so that they can actually have a clear picture of what their customer are actually feeling about that service. So as to the instruction, you can read in your own time. Let's get started to the data again. Here is our entry is on this table, in this table, and here is the date. We'll insert here the date, and as soon as we insert here the date of the service, the physical year and the month will be automatically displayed here. For that, we have used the text functions that generate automatically the year and the month. Here is the customer input, the customer name, and the customer rating of our service out of 100, just based on the satisfaction level for that service. It could be in any organization, could be bank, insurance, or municipality. And this is data quality checking. It will actually display incorrect if the rating is out of the given range. So that will actually correct our data quality during our data entry. And for this, we have inserted for CERT1 data entry from May 1st to May 31st, 2022. And here is the chart we will get based on that rating, and it actually shows from low levels of rating, which is indicated by red, then it's gradually improving and come to green, and currently as per this rating, it is rated at 68%. So there is a need to improve, and for that, in fact, the organization should have um, set its target. In this particular case, for example, is 75% is the target expected, and the service level is actually 68. So that indicates that there is an improvement. There is a need to improve the service. Let's check whether this data is dynamic in its nature as we change the input. For example, currently at 68%. If I change some of the numbers here and see the result, I have to refresh my data. Let's also change some numbers here. Yeah, it's getting changing. So it's currently at 70%. So it keep up changing as per our inputs. So the organization should actually keep on changing its service and improving its service to meet its target here, or any given target set by the organization. This is for the month of May. Let's see the data for June. Similarly, we have just inserted the data for the month of June here, from June 1 to June 30, and currently it is on 81% here. For the month of May, it was 73%, and for June it is 81%. We can just change these numbers, and the result will be actually can be populated here, and we can even add the customers here. So in that case, we have to drag down and adjust the date. For example, I can make this one June 30, for example. Two people are actually got the service. Yeah, can you see it is updated? So that is how it actually updated every time we make changes on our data. So in this particular case, in June, in May it was 73% here also, and in June from this rating it turned out to be 82% here. So in June there is actually a good performance compared to the target. Is also above the target. Then we have to keep up our service based on the customer feedback. So this is a very important service level indicator. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. Here is the reason why you should subscribe: to get data solution, because you will get tools and dashboard that will actually help you to manage your business. You'll get tools and dashboard that help you to manage your projects, to manage your work, to automate your activity, like this one, for example, service level. In this particular case, which is the topic of today, it will increase your productivity. It will help you to learn new skills. For example, in today's topic, you could actually learn, for example, how to uh, get year and month from a given day using a text function here. And it's also help you to make informed decisions. These are the reason why you should subscribe to this channel. So as I've already indicated, here are the benefit of this service level indicator, and here are the organizations that are supposed to use this type of data tracking system, like for example the bank, the insurance, municipality, schools, companies, government sectors, NGOs, even private individuals, department, team, service giving sector should use such data to track their service levels and to fulfill their customers' satisfactions. So from the two table again, we'll have here a summary. The summary is also here generated automatically. For the month of May, we have 73% rating. The customers number is here, 31. For June, 82%. The customer number is again 31, but we can actually, we have used this for demo purpose. Otherwise, you can actually keep on recording your data for whatever the number of customers you have actually uh, uh, give service. Here also in the graphs shows the same trend. Here 73% for May, for June 82%. Here in the red line shows the number of customers. Here is the number of customers is here shown here, this on the right side, and the rating on the left side. We have also here the summary again. I think this and these are almost similar. So so that is about service level KPI performance, which can be used for different purposes and for different organizations. And it has got instruction page here, and it has got benefit page here, for whom this is recommended here. So that's all, and thank you very much, and again, subscribe to this channel, Get Data Solution, so that you will be notified when other videos are released from Get Data Solution. I think in today's topic we have seen the service level KPI performance. Some of our claims here are materialized. For example, it will generate automatic report. The system generate automatic report. It will increase our productivity, and also it actually give us to make informed decision, and in this particular case to improve our service for the customers. And that's all, and thank you very much, and bye bye.